Hello ka-Dream Home! Today, we celebrate our year-end party at Pro Friends. And I can't help but feel so blessed and grateful to be here. Honestly, wala talaga akong idea na matatanggap ko to. Kalmado pa ako bago lumakad, pero deep inside, sobrang kabado at excited talaga ako. Isang malaking karangalan at blessing na mapabilang sa top sales associate dito sa Minami Residences. From the bottom of my heart, thank you sa lahat ng sumusuporta, sa aking mga clients, sa aking amazing team, at sa bawat taong nagbibigay inspirasyon. Kaya ang dahilan kung bakit patuloy kaming tumutulong at nag-e-excel sa trabaho na ito. Grateful talaga ako na maging parte ng #1 sales network ng Pro Friends, our Green Circle family. All the hard work, dedication, at consistency truly paid off. Every challenge, every milestone, every client we've helped, lahat may reward. At higit sa lahat, sobrang honored na makasama ang ating pambansang negosyante, Sir Billy, one of my inspiration. This is truly a moment to cherish. Maraming salamat sa tiwala at suporta. Let's continue to shine, keep helping, and achieve even more dream homes together.